For Mastercam 2021, mill turn simulation has been added to the Mastercam simulator interface. You can experience mill turn simulation with the same interface tools as Mastercam Simulator. The new interface includes an easier-to-use and more intuitive machine access controller, as well as other benefits. The method to launch simulation from the Sync Manager has not changed. The newly designed Move list allows you to see multiple streams of data at one time, as well as the status of every axis at each position in the toolpath sequence. Familiar tools for stock comparison, stock clipping, and measuring are all available in Mastercam Simulator. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.